Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put text in Filmora application using your mobile device. To add text to a video in the Filmora app is super easy. First of all, tap open the Filmora application from your app drawer and make sure that you're inside the main home page of Filmora. From the home page, click on the New Project button. Now, go to your device's camera roll and select a video you want to add text to. After you do that, click on Import. Now, you will be able to import the video onto your timeline. At the bottom menu, click on Text in order to add text to your image or video. Now, you will be able to see two different options at the bottom left, the Add option and the Captions option. If you select Caption, it'll now generate captions for your selected video clip. If you want to add text or title, click on the Add option and then enter the text you'd like to add to your video clip or your project. After you are done adding the text, you can now further edit the text by choosing the style, different kind of fonts. Choose one of the templates, which includes pre-made text styles, or you can also choose an option from art or animation. Finally, after you are done with your edits, you can then go ahead and drag the edges right onto your text timeline and adjust the duration for which the text appears on the video. After everything's done, you can save your project by clicking on Export at the top right corner. Select one of the export settings and then click on the Pro Export or the Free Export option according to your plan that you have chosen for Filmora. And that is how you can easily add text or put text in Filmora project. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.